Have you got a crafting YouTube channel? Would you like more views and subscribers? So a collaboration, especially a really big one, might be just the ticket for you. Now, the instructions on how to join will be coming up over here for you. The way this works is very simply a great big playlist of all of our videos all in one place so that people can have a really good binge watch. Now, there's very few rules around this. Any crafts, as long as it's kind of a Halloween theme, will be perfectly acceptable. Whether you're a new channel with no subscribers, or it's your first video even, or whether you've got hundreds of thousands of subscribers and your silver play button, doesn't matter. Everybody is absolutely welcome. I need you to send your links for your videos to me between the 8th and the 12th of October. Go live itself is at 9 PM UK time on the 12th of October. So if you send me a link, you've put a mention of that is part of the collaboration in either your title or your description. You mentioned it in the video. The idea is we make it as easy as possible for people to realise that there's a whole big playlist and they should be diving in and watching them all. So that's the idea. And that way we all get the best out of it. Now, so if you set your video as a premiere to go live on the 12th, then that helps me out a little bit because I can actually link up the videos beforehand rather than waiting for them to go live, because YouTube will make that possible for me. However, if you prefer to just schedule your video as a normal schedule or just actually upload it on the 12th, that is also fine. Just make sure you get your videos links to me before 8 o'clock UK time, because my video goes live at 9 PM UK time, and I kind of want a bit of time to put your links on for you. Anyway, that's all it's about. Don't worry too much about the detail. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments of this video below, or drop me an email at miniscenesgb@gmail.com. Now, this collaboration is being organised by the Crafty YouTubers United, which is a lovely little support group for crafting YouTube channels. So if you want any information on that, that's absolutely free, of course. Again, drop me an email and I'll sort you out. I've set up the playlist, by the way, so this video will form the start of that playlist. So if you grab the link from my video description, that's the link for the playlist that you can put into video information, your description and whatever. So there we go. It's all very nice and simple. Take care, everyone. I look forward to seeing your videos. Bye.